Welcome to eFactsTech. Today we are going to talk about VMware Tools in the Windows 10 virtual machines. So first of all, I'll tell you that VMware Tools manages the functionality of several components in virtual machine. Suppose the display is not working, icons or the fonts are very small on the desktop, keyboard and mouse not working as expected. You are not able to copy and paste files from your Mac to your Windows 10 or Windows 10 back to your Mac. Sound issues and all. This is all caused maybe because the VMware Tools is not installed properly. Now, if you have VMware Tools installed, to verify that, you can click on the right hand bottom, this icon, and this gives you a VM icon here which says VMware Tools. Now right click on this and click on About VMware Tools. That will let you know what is the VMware Tools version. Now there are situations, even if you have VMware Tools showing in this list, maybe it is not installed properly or not updated. So what I'm going to do, first of all, if you have any problem with this components, go ahead and uninstall VMware Tools completely, and I'll show you how you can uninstall VMware Tools manually from your computer and the components of the VMware Tools, and then we will go ahead and install VMware Tools again. So to uninstall VMware Tools, we have to go to the control panel. So you can click on the search in the left hand bottom and just type control panel, or just type few letters, you will see the results. Open control panel, go to the programs, uninstall a program, select VMware Tools and click on uninstall. Now once you see this pop up, click on yes. This will gonna take some time. Click on yes to this pop up. This is user account control, asking the permission whether you want to uninstall this program. This would not gonna take very long time. So as the VMware Tools is uninstalling, that contains the display driver also. So now you can see the display is kind of, a very big. The letters are showing big. So you can click on yes. It is just prompting you whether you want to restart. Once you uninstall or install any program in VMware in Windows computers, you have to restart your system once. So we'll click on yes, so it will restart. This process will gonna include few restart of your Windows 10. So once we come back with this restart, you will see the icons on the desktop will be big. The display is not like before it was when the tools was installed. So I'm going to log into my Windows 10. Okay, so now that we don't have VMware Tools, to verify you can click on this show here an icon. It does not show VM. In fact, you can go to the control panel and you can verify from there also. So we don't have VMware Tools here. So we'll close this. We have to remove or we have to delete few files for VMware Tools. So some cases, if you will notice that even if you have reinstalled tools, it won't work unless you delete these components. So follow these steps exactly what I'm doing in this video. If you have any problem with the components which I mentioned with the VMware Tools, so you need to open File Explorer. You can click on this icon, which you have a folder kind of icon, or do a right click on this Start and click on File Explorer. Now we'll go to this PC, double click on local disk C, go to program files. Now in program files, you will see any folder named by VMware here. If you won't see that, that's fine. Go to the common files. In common files, we have VMware. So this VMware actually keeps the information about the VMware tools. So we're going to delete this folder, and deleting this folder would not make any harm to your system. So I'm going to delete this. Alright, so it's deleted. Now we'll go back again. Now we have to delete. So we go to the local disk C, click on this, and then type program data. Hit enter. So now we are in this PC, local disk C and program data. So we'll go and delete this VMware folder. Okay, it's done. Now we'll go back one more step. Then we'll go to the users. In users, you can select which particular user you want to delete that particular VMware folder. So this is my username, which is eFactsTech. I'm going to log into that. Now you can check on this. Now we don't have anything in this, so we are going to search for one particular location, which is app data. So once you type C users, the username of your account, and app data, and hit enter, it'll take you to the account which we have. So we just have to go ahead and check the locals, all the three folders basically, which says VMware folder name. If you don't have, leave it as it is and go back. So we don't have any VMware here, so we will go back. Local row will check. We don't need to go inside Microsoft. We'll check in the roaming. We don't have anything. That's fine. It's a new Windows 10, so that's the reason we don't have anything. But you have to check all those steps. Now once we have checked everything, you can close this. So we just have to restart one more time, and after that we'll install VMware Tools. So I'm going to log in back to my Windows 10. Alright, so I'm on the Windows desktop, so I'm going to install VMware Tools. We don't need to download any files for the VMware Tools, so because VMware Tools package or ISO comes within the VMware application. So we just need to click on this, get the menu bar at the top, click on virtual machine, and do you see this install VMware Tools? So if you have VMware Tools installed already, it will show you reinstall VMware Tools. If you don't have tools, or if you have any pending update, it will tell you either install VMware Tools or update VMware Tools. So we are going to install. So click on install VMware Tools. We have this pop-up, click on install. Now you will see a small pop-up in the right hand bottom, which will gonna mount the VMware Tools ISO in DVD drive. If you don't see that pop-up for very long, or if it comes and goes away quickly and you can't click on that, so don't worry about that. You can click on this File Explorer icon here, or I'm talking about this DVD drive VMware Tools, which is mounted just now. So we are not going to use that. So click on File Explorer, as the VMware Tools already mounted. So go to this PC, click on DVD drive VMware Tools. You need to double click on that. You will see this pop up for the user account control for the permission. Click on yes. You could see it's started the installation. This will take some time, so wait for some time. We don't need that page, so I close it. So now it's preparing the installation wizard. Once it's finished, you will see a installation wizard, and we need to follow the on-screen instructions. This is gonna take like maximum 2 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If it's taking more than that, then there could be something wrong. Wait for the error message if you have any difficulties. So now we have the installation wizard. Click on next. We will go with the default choice, which is typical. Don't need to change anything. Click on next. Now click on install. Now this particular installation progress bar will tell you what actually it is installing. So if you take a close look of this, you will get to know what kind of components actually it's installing with the VMware Tools. This is not going to take long, so we'll wait to finish this. And once finished this installation, it will again prompt you to restart your Windows virtual machine. So make sure that you click on yes. So the all installation, whatever happened, would come in effect. So now it's installing the video driver. Once it's finished the video driver installation, you will see there's a flickering comes on the display that will try to adjust the display and the icons. The black screen is expected, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, the display that it seems very small or tiny, that's fine. Once you click on finish and click on yes to restart, once your Windows 10 will adjust the display and the icons and fonts automatically. If you have any problem while following these steps, or the steps are not working as expected, you can ask me in the comment box. Maybe I can reply. That may take some time, or you can directly ping me in the Facebook group also. Alright, so we have the desktop. Now let me just log in quickly. Don't worry about this icon, it will adjust. Now if you could see, the eFactsTech welcome is looking normal. Now let's alright, so we have this Windows 10 desktop with the VMware Tools. If you could see, it's looking like the way it was before, when I had the tools before uninstalling it. Again, to verify we have tools, you can click on this icon to expand. That will take some time. So we can click on this. Do you see this VMware Tools? Right click and click on About VMware Tools. 11.1.5, that's the latest version as per the VMware Fusion which I'm running here. Right, so this is how you can reinstall VMware Tools in your Windows 10 virtual machine if you have any problem with the VMware, with the display, sounds, copy paste, keyboard, mouse not working as expected. Alright, if you have liked this video, or if it's helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. If you want me to create any specific topics on VMware Fusion, VMware Workstation, or Windows 10 or Mac OS related topics, let me know in the comment box. I would try to create a video on that. Thank you.